I think we all need to learn to let go of things. Like, it's something we often talk about, but the more we talk about, I think the less we do about it. The more confusing things get. Like, how am I supposed to let go of things? Like, what does one do to let go? To be honest, I think it just means forgiving. Like, forgiving people who did wrong to you or who didn't came up to your expectations, because honestly speaking, it is us who ascribe positive traits or things we want to see in other people to them. They may be like that, but it's not necessary. And there's also the thing that we need to learn to forget some things. We need to forget about them, but it is not easy. And if it is not easy, it is far more easier to forgive. Okay, one other thing I learned is that you're continuously changing. You are not the person you were a year before, and you will definitely not be the person tomorrow or a year afterwards. So basically, what I'm trying to say is that take your decisions while considering that. You may like something in the past, but it is not necessary that you will continue to want it or like it in future. One thing I learned was how to navigate that. Like, I wanted to have a secure job, or I wanted to give army exam in the past, so that I would have a secure job and other things like that. But then I realized that I'm not the kind of person who can remain fixed for a long time. I want to adventure with my life. I want to do things at my own pace, and that is why I chose not to give exam. I would probably go for specialization first, like it's obviously close to my graduation. In a few months, I would be graduated, and then I would have to go for house job and then the whole specialization stuff or going abroad. But those are the things that I have realized I like, I want. They would be hard, but that's what I chose for myself. There's always an easy path to things, but it is up to you what path you want to choose for your life, how you want to look it afterwards. I think the video has gone quite a long time, but well, I think I would bind it for now. The last thing I would like to say is that take care of the people around you, because we care about things. It's not possible to not care. I have learned that. I have tried to not care about things, but ultimately you start caring for some other thing. The anxiety just won't go. So just take care of the things that are in your control, and that is yourself, your thoughts. Uh, One thing I would like to say at the end, is to thank. Yeah, I would like to thank the people who pushed me for this video. Like, they are just too many. Like, perhaps I wouldn't have made this video if it not for the overall signing ceremony day. Like, that day really changed the way how I look at the world and people and myself. Like, I have hated myself for a long time. Self hate is a common thing, even if you don't accept. We all have done sins and things we don't talk about in our past, owing to ignorance or whim or subjecting to our desires, and that's about it. When we have the knowledge year later, we despise ourselves. The things we bury deep inside our hearts, the darkness we all carry, it haunts us, it destroys our lives, it consumes us. But you need to learn to let go of it. Like, God didn't create you to not make sins. You would make sins, you would rebel against Him, but that's about it. Go back and ask for forgiveness, and that's about it. I would like to thank Asad, to be honest. Like, I would share his channel's link in the description. I didn't want to just copy his content, but the video somehow ended up being like that. But I think we have talked about different things. Anyways, check out his channel. And I would also like to thank my seniors and my colleagues and juniors I found in Sims. Like, they were the best thing that have happened. And I think it is their courageous comments, the things they said to that pushed me to be far more confident and make my own decisions regarding certain things. One thing I really wanted to talk about. Sorry, the video is probably going too long. Learn to set boundaries. You need to set boundaries, and that requires, in my opinion, to create a wall between your past and your present. Unless you create that wall, you would continuously be looking behind, like this, you would be doing this. You would think that you are moving forward, but that's not moving forward. You're just basically looking behind, hoping that someday some magical would happen and the person you want would come and ask for your forgiveness, and it would be happily ever after. That's not how things proceed in this world. It's absurd, it's unfair, yes, I know, but that's about it. You can do anything you want. You're not God, you're just a human being like everybody else. If there's a thing you don't like, you say so. And if a things that you like, just say so. That's about it. So it is also true about the other human being. And if someone has done bad to you, it is either unknowingly or they didn't know about your feelings. It's possible. So just forgive them and let go of things. Create that wall around you. You need to let go of your past if you want to make something in your present.